Oh, good morning. It's about 9 o'clock or so. We're working up at Kevin's shop today. This morning anyway. This is a 67
TR6.
Triumph TR6 monoblock. It's been neglected. it's a little sad, but a fellow purchased it and wants it put back together and get running, put it on the road. Cosmetics will follow getting it running. Once we have a running motorcycle that's safe enough to ride, then they can talk about cosmetics. Right now, believe it or not, this is after Kevin spent hours cleaning the engine. It looks real good. We're setting the gaps on the valves right now. Kevin is. We've got a top dead center tool that finds top dead center just fine, but it doesn't have the notch for full advanced. So we're going to put a degree wheel here and make marks for top dead center and for, what is it, 38 degrees before?
38.
Yeah, 38 before TDC for full advance. And that'll set the static timing on the other side for the electronic ignition. So that's what we're doing this morning, and I'm going to abandon him, go back to my shop and do some more work on the Norton. I'll also give you an update on all the bikes that are in the shop. So here we are. Kevin's having a good time in there, setting those valves, which is always an adventure. Interestingly, valves don't loosen up with age. They tighten up with age because the valve itself is actually settling down into the seat, which closes up the gap on top. So if you're going to set them to a 2 and 4, I set them to what I refer to as a sloppy 2 and 4, or maybe even a loose 2 and 4, but a 2 and 4. Don't try to make them perfectly tight because, as I say, the valve gaps tighten as the bike runs. They don't loosen. So, poor old bike needs some serious loving, and frankly, it's come to the right place. It's starting to look better.